We have a crazy pair for you here today. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. You're gonna want to see this. Hey, what's up guys? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Broadway J, the host here at Kickz and Beatz, the channel. Just wanted to let you guys know I have another early one here for y'all. I believe this is the Yeezy 380 Highlight Glow, and the reason why I'm saying I believe this is what it is because I hope GOAT is not confused. There are two versions. You got the Highlight, which doesn't glow in the dark, and the Highlight Glow, which does. This was labeled as Highlight Glow. Let's open it up and let's see what it is, y'all. I really hope it is. All right. Let's check it out. Yo, I am so excited about these, man. There's no exact set date for this. You guys know that, right? Like, we don't even know the exact date yet for these. I've seen two sizes on GOAT. Size 9, which is still available, and this size 10.5 that I took. That's all that they had at the moment. Let's see. Yo, these are dope. These are pretty dope, yo. I like these, man. Take the other two out. I'm trying not to yell loud like I usually do in my other videos. I'm trying to contain myself right now. These are pretty fire, yo. Let me show you a close-up real quick. Let's get that close-up. Cool. There's the inside. Same color as this area right here. Goes with this, yeah. Check that out. Same color. Let you guys see the stitching. Alright. It is cool. I like this pair. It's like what? Not really khaki here around the collar. I wouldn't say khaki. It's more like some type of off-white cream-like color. The laces aren't exactly the same as this collar over here. Different colors. They don't go together exactly. Check it out. This features Boost, guys. This features Boost. Real comfortable. If you guys have worn sneakers which contains Boost, you guys should know. Bungee cord lacing system. I want to see if this comes with an extra pair though. Let's see if it comes with an extra pair of laces. It actually does. Shout out to GOAT, by the way. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video. But yeah, shout out to GOAT. Alright. Okay. Well, they ended up sending me extra laces. And it's the same exact color as the bungee cord style laces. Same color. Yeah. I don't know what this is right here, guys, because this doesn't really look like navy blue to me. But it doesn't seem like gray neither. It seems like some sort of shade of blue, just not navy blue. But it's confusing. It's like, is it navy blue or is it gray, you know? Like it's somewhere within that color spectrum. Let's get a close up. See if you guys can figure it out. You see this right here? Actually, now that I'm looking at it right here, close up, seems like it's more on the blue side, right? Yeah. Seems like it's more on the blue side, actually. Now, do these glow? Did they send me the proper one? Let's find out. Hey guys, so I have a random recommendation when it comes to the sneaker. Like if you have trouble finding something that goes with it, for those who like to match and be precise, check out this sweater I found at the Gap store. It goes so good with it. Just take a look at that. Let me try to merge it on. You see? Almost exact. Just about. Yeah. Yeah. I think it goes pretty well. I think it's a pretty dope outfit. I think it matches. What do you guys think? What you think about the outfit? Cop a drop. And what do you think about the sneakers? Cop a drop. Let us know below in the comment section below. But I really think it goes well. See what I'm saying? It goes good.
Felt like taking some footage of myself walking outside at nighttime, just because I usually take footage of, you know, myself walking out in the daytime. Wanted to switch it up for once.
Well, it's time to wrap up the video, guys. You already know what time it is. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Sometimes we will be the first to have certain sneakers here for that early review, as we were the first to come through with the Yeezy 700 V3 Arzareth, however you pronounce that. And now we're coming through with these bad boys right here. So we already know what time it is. And also, we're going to be the most charitable one day on YouTube. We're going to start our first giveaway at 500 subscribers, and we're getting pretty close to it. And afterwards, we're going to have another giveaway starting at 1,000 subscribers. But at that point, we're going to be doing monthly giveaways. Yes, I said it, monthly giveaways. So stay tuned, let your friends know, subscribe, hit like. You already know what time it is. Giveaways include sneakers, clothing that will match, of course. You may get accessories from time to time, and if you deal with music in any sort of way, you can get free instrumentals. You can even get music equipment on this channel. Like, you guys have no idea what I have in stores for you guys. So you know what time it is. It's your boy Broadway J here at Kickz and Beatz, and we out. Take care, y'all. God bless.